Hello everybody. It's been a while since I recorded any videos. Today I have this fuel filter from Renault Scenic 2003 diesel, and I wanna see what's inside the old filter. New one was obviously installed, so I can tear apart this one. So for that I will use this mini saw, because there is no easy entry points. So I'll probably just cut it here, and then we'll see how good is this filter. By the way, this filter was replaced 1 year ago, exactly 1 year ago on this date. Yeah, so let's see. And here we are. You can forget using such things as this little saw. Instead I had to use some force with the X. And yeah, this is what we have in this filter. Basically this is the housing and this is the filter. The filter has connections, and that's pretty much it. Yeah, when you are buying it, you buy whole assembly, and then you just plug in the lines for the fuel. So here's the filter. Obviously some dirt from me breaking it with force. Yeah, the year date, I guess. I'll try taking this apart and see what's inside. That's basically it. The amount of paper inside, or actually the paper of the filter. You can see some dirt. That's because of the mess I made breaking it apart, but I don't see anything else. Probably this filter could have been used for at least 1 or 2 years. Obviously nothing major is going on inside. The reason I replaced it is because I wanted to install the sensor, and this one had this hole plugged from the factory. So I bought a new one which can accept the sensor for water, which goes here in this car, which is Renault Scenic 1.5 diesel from 2003. Alright, that's pretty much it. That's what you have inside fuel filter for diesel car, as I mentioned, Renault Scenic. Thanks for watching, and see you some other time in the future. Bye bye.